Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to transfer files from Android to iPhone using cable. Transferring files from Android to iPhone using a cable is straightforward with the right setup. First, gather your devices, your Android phone, your iPhone, and a compatible USB cable. Typically, a USB to Lightning cable for iPhone and your Android charging cable. Start by turning on your iPhone and begin the setup process. On the app's data screen, select Move Data from Android and tap Continue. On your Android, download the Move to iOS app if you haven't already. Open it and tap Continue. You see 6 to 10 digit code on your iPhone. Enter this on your Android device. Once connected via USB, choose the files you want to transfer, then tap Next and wait for the process to complete. Transfer time depends on the number and size of files. When finished, continue setting up your iPhone to complete the setup, and all your selected data from Android will now be on your phone. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.